Hello there. I'm a chicken. Actually, I'm the chicken you just ate for dinner last night. Today, we're going to take a look at how I maneuver through your digestive system. The first stop in digestion, also in the alimentary canal, is the mouth. Now, the mouth, as we all know, contains teeth. Teeth are responsible for the chewing and churning of the food we put in our mouth. So, we take our piece of chicken, we put it in our mouth, and we chew. We also have salivary glands that help moisten and break down food even further. Salivary glands are responsible for breaking down starches. The mouth just makes it easier for our other organs to digest our food even further. Up next in the alimentary canal, we have the esophagus. Oh, yeah. Now, the esophagus is responsible for transporting food from the mouth, once we swallow, all the way to the stomach. The esophagus uses a process called peristalsis, in which it gently squeezes food into the stomach. Oh, hey there. How's it going? Yeah, I'm just sitting here chilling in some hydrochloric acid. That's right, I'm in the stomach. The stomach is the next stop in the alimentary canal. The C-shaped organ contains four regions: the cardiac region, the fundus, the body, and the pylorus. That's right. The stomach is responsible for breaking down food chemically so that the nutrients can be ingested by the small intestine. Fact. Did you know that the average human stomach can hold 1.5 liters of food? Now, while I was in the stomach, I couldn't help but notice this gigantic organ that was sitting behind me. Yeah, that's right. I'm talking about the pancreas. Yeah, she's a beaut. Yeah, the pancreas isn't part of the alimentary canal, so I will not be passing through it. Bummer. But that's okay, because it still plays an important role in digestion. The pancreas secretes enzymes which help break down food after they leave the stomach. Ain't that right, Mr. Pancreas? Come on, don't be chicken. Another organ that is not part of the alimentary canal but plays a significant role in digestion is the liver. There she is. The liver is a big organ in your abdomen and brown. The liver is responsible for the production of an enzyme called bile. Bile is then transported through bile ducts to the small intestine. And I'm back in the alimentary canal, baby. Let's go. That's right. I passed through the pyloric sphincter and have entered the small intestine. The small intestine is the longest organ in your body when stretched out. It can be 20 feet long. It is broken up into three sections: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. After the ileum, it goes through the ileocecal valve into the large intestine. The main function of the small intestine is to absorb the nutrients that has been digested. From the time you have put a piece of food in your mouth to the time it passes through the small intestine can take about 6 to 8 hours. And finally, the last stop in the alimentary canal is, drumroll please, the large intestine. Yeah, that's right. The large intestine, however, is smaller than the small intestine. The large intestine is only 5 feet in length, while the small intestine is 20. The large intestine's main function is to dry out indigestible food, aka make waste so we can get rid of it. The large intestine is broken up into several different sections. First, we have the cecum, then we have the appendix, then we have the ascending colon, followed by the transverse colon, the descending colon, and the sigmoid colon. Then we have the rectum, and last but certainly not least, we have the anal canal. And after that, the rest of me is history. Well, thanks for watching. We're all done here.